Okay, we've done the band. We've done the crew. And thirdly, and most importantly...
How are you?
How are you so loud? You're louder than me and I've got a
I don't
microphone.
know why. Because I love you. You guys made me so
My voice goes directly from this into my ear and I can still hear you more than I can hear me.
I don't know why.
How?
I don't know.
What's your name?
Nicole.
Nicole! How are you, Nicole?
I'm very good. It's my 12-year anniversary.
Can everyone else hear Nicole as well as I can? All right, we're going to get it as quiet as possible in here. As quiet as we possibly can. Okay? And we're going to find out a little bit more about Nicole. What is your full name, please, Nicole?
My full name is Marie Frances Nicole Oy.
Where are you from, Nicole?
I'm from the Philippines.
Nicole,
Yes.
have you ever worked in the theatre?
No, I haven't.
You're very good at projecting. You should give presentations.
I know. I'm shy.
Look what happens when I don't have a microphone.
You're lovely.
3 rows can hear me. 3,000 people can hear you. You're all the way at the front.
I don't know why.
I don't know why.
You're being shy.
That's really loud. And then when she spoke, someone over here went, "She's loud."
I'm sorry.
No, don't apologize. There's no need to apologize. Live your truth. Be yourself.
Correct. That is true.
Make some noise for... That was Nicole from the Philippines, everybody! The loudest lady in Thailand.
Correct. I'll see you next.
Until she gets back to the Philippines, then she'll be the loudest lady in the Philippines.
We'll see you in Singapore too. In Singapore.
And we're going to go around and try and find for the rest of this tour the loudest lady in each city. I have a feeling that at least one city, it might be you. Oh, woof. Okay. Now, thirdly and finally, to each and every single one of you in this building tonight, you've been absolutely incredible. Thank you so, so much.